In your busy, fast-paced life, there's so much noise. Wouldn't it be nice to finally switch it off and have a moment to relax with your music, and only your music? Now you can. Introducing the K490NC and K495NC noise-cancelling headphones by AKG. The K490NC is equipped with high-performance noise-cancelling circuitry and when activated, creates a pure listening environment. Our proprietary closed-loop noise-cancelling technology is used on the K495NC. As unwanted ambient noise enters the ear cup, an AKG microphone detects that noise and subtracts it from whatever you're listening to, leaving only the sound you want and none of the sound you don't. Studio quality sound and dependable performance are matched with a durable, lightweight, comfortable design that exudes style. The detachable cable and a unique 3D access folding mechanism make portability and storage easy. We've also included a USB adapter, which allows for recharging from any laptop or USB port, giving you power on the go. And if these headphones run out of juice, your music continues to play. Most noise-cancelling headphones stop working altogether. While the AKG K490NC and K495NC create an exquisite listening experience for your favorite music or movies, they can also be used to create blissful silence, perfect for long trips on a noisy commute. For more than 60 years, AKG has driven audio innovation. Decade after decade, we've produced the ultimate listening experience for recording professionals, audiophiles, and anyone with a passion for music. For the best sound quality rooted in a passion for music, with a unique sense of design and style, look no further than AKG.